Investors and Federal Reserve watching the situation in Eastern Europe very closely to see what kind of impacts a rumored invasion or intensifying conflict could mean for the U.S. and global economy. The situation contributing to some major volatility on Wall Street. Stock futures down slightly again this morning after Monday's massive drop. All three indices made some major comebacks to finish the day in positive territory. This morning, the Dow is down nearly 0.8%. The Nasdaq has fallen nearly 2%. The S&P has slipped 1.3%. So we're really holding steady here, but in a very tenable time for the markets. The roller coaster also fueled by anxiety about impending interest rates. Today, the Federal Reserve kicking off a key two-day meeting that could give clues about when those rates will rise and by how much. Business and consumer reporter Marley Caden is breaking it all down for us. Marley, first off, welcome to the Morning in America family. You'll be here for us Monday through Friday. We're excited to have you with us.
Thank you so much. I'm thrilled to be here. And at what a tumultuous time in the markets, right? Even after yesterday's roller coaster recovery of a day. Despite all of those major indices closing in the green, concerns continue to loom about the possibility of a conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Fears have been weighing down U.S. markets this month, leading to a highly volatile January. The biggest fear, of course, is tied to Russia being a major international oil producer. If there is a disruption in the country's supplies on the global market, this could lead to higher energy prices here at home. Now, what does that mean for all of us? We could be paying quite a bit more at the gas pump, and our utility bills will likely go up. Geopolitical concerns are not the only thing dragging down the markets. We have a potential double whammy of risk events, with the Federal Reserve also meeting this week to assess monetary policy and how it plans to fight rising inflation. Our central bank is expected to raise interest rates several times this year, but we won't have details on how big the increases will be and when they will happen until Wednesday afternoon. We'll talk more about this tomorrow, but as those rates increase, so will the cost of your debt, whether that be your mortgage, your car loan, or even a small business loan. Your credit card rates could also be on the rise here. We are in for a very interesting week, Adrian, as we are forced to just wait and see. Now, both of these issues will continue to impact the markets for the foreseeable future until there's some type of resolution. And if hearing this makes you want to check your 401k or make changes to your investment, please think twice before making any moves. We have a big week of earnings ahead, and those results will most certainly influence the way the markets go.
All right, Marley, thank you so much. And again, it is a time of overcorrection for sure. We got to hold on tight. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.